Okay, so you want to know what I find weird? And no, it's not my hairline, so let's not talk about that. What I find so weird is when I was a kid growing up, there were thousands of lightning bugs. Like, like those little bugs at night, they flicker light. Where the fuck did they go? Like, okay, I'm 30. Why? What happened to the lightning bugs? Like, are they extinct? Are they not a thing? Were they never a thing? Like, what happened to the lightning bugs? Like, someone needs to explain this because that's like a own species of insects.